So you thought you captured the perfect photo on your iPhone, only to come back home and find there are photo bombers ruining your photo. What to do? Well, you can remove unwanted objects from photos, including photo bombers, easily using the Photos app on your Mac. Yes, you don't need a fancy third-party photo editing software. So, the first thing you do is open the photo you want to edit in the Photos app on your Mac. We already have it open here. Click on the edit button. Now we are going to use the retouch tool for this. So click on the brush to select it. You can use the slider to adjust the size. We recommend keeping the brush size small because painting over large area may result in some artifacts. With your brush selected, just paint over the people you want to remove. We are going to remove these two guys, and then we are going to remove these two guys in the background. That's it. You have removed your photo bombers. You will see some artifacts, but it's not that visible. Another thing you can do using the retouch tool is repair photos. If you bring your attention to the bottom corner of this photo, you will see that there's an open electrical conduit which is making the photo look really bad. What we can do is use the retouch tool and paint over it. It's gone. We hope you like this guide. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments below and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.